Blue Ridge Mountains. There's a song about it. Well, there's a song that includes them and many other places. So, we're gonna go see them. I'm West. That's Lucyfur. We travel and blog and do cool things that are really awesome and fun. So if you like fun and awesome things, you will like to subscribe and like this video and ring the bell to get notifications about when we post every Friday. And your life will be happiness. See you on the Blue Ridge Mountains. Blue Ridge Parkway, driving through these trees, going round some turns now, singing like the breeze. Mount Mitchell, I'm coming up to see the highest point on the coast of the eastern United States, yeah, 'cause that's how mountains work, or something. Kind of falls apart at the end, but you know, you do better. Fight me. Glacier, you're full of trees. I find you intimidating. You are a beautiful dog who I love very much. You're so pretty. It's stupid how pretty you are. Stop being so pretty and beautiful and smart. There's a tunnel! It's so scary! Cool, huh? Brad, this is where you wanted me to go. You can see Mount Mitchell from here. Well, you can't because there's trees. I think I caught a glimpse of it, but there were also clouds. Okay, we're just close. We're just close, buddy. Just hang in there, hang on to your butt. We're gonna be there soon. On top of Mount Mitchell, all covered in clouds, I broke poor Brad's heart for crying out loud.